Hi, I'm Mark with American Tank Company. We're here at 501 American Way in Windsor. Got a beautiful shop. I can't wait to show it to you. And I'm super excited about starting this video series on tanks, fittings, all sorts of stuff. Come on, this is gonna be awesome. Hi, it's Mark at American Tank. We're in the shop again today. We're doing some really cool ladders on these poly tanks. Take a look. We're just so proud of this stuff because in all these years, man, I've been doing this for over 40 years. I've never seen anybody just make a decent ladder for a poly tank. So this little 3,000 gallon, I think is 95-inch diameter and the sidewall is 90. But really no good way even to get up here except on a step ladder, which is never safe. So we are building these galvanized steel ladders. The rungs have an anti-slip embossed and stamped into them. And they attach with no bolts, no holes in the tank whatsoever. So the first thing we do is we assemble the ladder, and then we custom make these brackets, and we'll curve them to any curvature tank. So whatever the diameter of your tank is, we'll make them custom for you. So, and then we use these real cool aircraft style ratchet straps that just hook on one side and you run it around the tank. And then you bring it over here and we have a real cool ratchet that's super simple. Snug it up, make sure it's level, and you're done. And this is what's just amazing, is look at the strength of the just three attachment points on this tank, okay? I mean, I literally can drag that tank down the shop. It's so strong. But it's just extremely safe, super easy to put on the tank, and just what a difference, you know? So when you gotta get up and you gotta adjust float controls, look in the tank, clean your overflow fitting, whatever it is, your ozone system, pull the filter out. There really is nothing like having a ladder that's attached to your tank permanently. So these are just awesome for a brand new tank, and obviously you can add this to your tank that's been sitting there and always bugged you and never had a good way to get up to the top on it. We've got a 5,000 gallon tall, we call it. 8.5 foot diameter, sidewall's about 11 foot. And we're building a OSHA cage ladder for that one right here today. So this guy's getting assembled right now. Gonna have a full cage at the top. Locking rung cover is gonna look like this right here. So that guy's gonna have all the accessories on it, and we'll come back in a little while when that thing's installed and trial fitted, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we got this tank done. This is a 5,000 gallon Norwesco poly tank. It is 102-inch diameter, and I think the overall height's like 152, so about 11-foot sidewall just over. And on this ladder, we went ahead, and this one has a locking rung cover and full OSHA cage as you access the top of the tank. So these are nice features, especially if it's more of a commercial application, or where you want to keep it from being an attractive nuisance and lock it off and keep it safe. So locking rung cover, OSHA cage, all of this comes knocked down and when it ships, so it ships real easy on a single pallet, and then it's field assembled. So it just takes, you know, just minutes to put it together. And on this one, there are 4 attachment points, and that varies depending on the height of the tank sidewall. So this one's just 4. We've got it strapped up with just 1, but you can see how strong it is up there even with just 1 strap, 1 out of 4. And sitting right on the ground. So yeah, that's it. So not a bad day at American Tank. 5,000, 3,000 with a ladder. Yeah, both worked out really good. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we really love putting these together. There'll be more in the future. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, give us a call. Our team's here and ready to help. 877-655-7100.